going to share a wonderful folk tale from the Philippines entitled The Magical Bird.
This story has filled with adventure, excitement, and good lessons.
So let's start it and dive into our tale. We hope you will enjoy our show.
to all of you. Let's have a great night.
One day, the king got very sick. The palace was gloomy. The king was lying in bed with me. Oh, my dear king, what can we do to help you?
I feel very weak. We need to find a way to make me better.
Don't worry, mother. I will find a top doctor. Hence they go leaves to find the healer. Prince Pedro and Prince Juan reassure the king.
Don't be scared, Father. We will help you.
Yes, father, everything will be okay. Your Majesty, the hero are here.
Father, the hero is here.
Good evening, Your Majesty. Can you please check him? Will he get better? I'm afraid his illness is very serious. What should we do to heal my father? There is a legend about a bird whose song can heal. It's called the magical bird.
Where can we find this bird?
It's at the top of Mount Tabor, but be careful. His song can make you sleepy or even turn you into a storm. We will go and find the magical bird. Father!
You must go one at a time.
I will go first.
You have blessing, Pedro. Be safe.
Prince Pedro is brave and wants to capture the magical bushes. I will get the magical bird and bring it home. Be careful, big brother. The journey is hard. Don't worry, brother. Prince Pedro leaves the palace. Prince Pedro faces many challenges on his way to Mount Tabor.
Okay. Duty, habi ko. Bye-bye, well. Thank you.
Wow, this place is beautiful. Where is the bird? any news about my son? Your Majesty, we can still find Prince Pedro.
I must find him. I will go to Mount Tabor.
Please bring him back. On his way, Prince Pedro meets the wise lions.
Young Prince, why are you here? I'm looking for my brother, Prince Pedro.
May have time the magical. Be careful. Listen to the forest and it will help you.
Thank you.
Encourage this Pedro moves on and meet a kind monkey. Follow the stream, it will help you. Stop! You cannot start with our challenge.
I only want to find my brother.
Show me that you are stopped. You may pass now. Prince Pedro hears the sweet song of the magical bird.
It must be close.
He wishes to pick and seize the bird.
How beautiful you are.
But the bird's song makes Prince Pedro sleepy.
No, I can't fall asleep.
But he falls asleep and turns to stone, joining his brother. Back at the palace, Prince One is worried. My heart is heavy. I fear for your brothers. I will fight them.
In the forest, he meets the same animal that helped his brothers.
Where are you going, young prince? I must find my brothers. Be careful. The bird song is very powerful. Follow the river and remember to be strong.
Si Irene sa kuha, si Reyes na kuha.
Pedro, Diego, can you hear me?
Ganyan.
The song wraps around him, but he fights to stay.
Gusto na ko makita ako ngayon.
No, I won't give him!
Sila, si Adarna Bird.
Bottles, what happened? Medical bird, I want to save my bottles! What will you give for your bottles? I will give anything to save them! A magical light will now dispose of Petros and Jacob. What do save us? How did you do it? Love is the strongest magic.
Ano?
The bardos hurry back to the kingdom with the other birds. Nothing terrible happened. Two older bardos, Pedro and Diego, felt envy and greed. Why should one have all the glory? We should take a magical bird for ourselves.
Yes, let's get rid of him.
What are you doing, Bartos? They beat down one and threw him into a deep well. Please stop! Now we can have the magical bird for ourselves.
Let's go home.
The two brothers returned home with the magical bird, but something was wrong. King's illness is getting worse.
Gi-post kasi siya.
We have the magical bird, Father. It will make you better.
Yes, just listen to its beautiful song.
Gina. Very lang.
Magical bird did not sing. Because illness wasn't their day. Why won't the bird sing?
It seems the bird does want to help.
We did it for nothing.
What will we do now?
Ano ang nagbulik sila.
But in the deep well, something magical happened. Prince One began to regain his strength.
May English translation, di ba, ng Ibong Adarna? May English translation,
Do
hindi ng
not
Ibong
lose
Adarna.
hope, young man. I will help you.
Parang wala, di ba? Baka sila lang ano.
Thank you, Fireman. I will escape and return to my family.
Without courage, Prince One returned to the kingdom of Bavaria. betrayed your brother, Prince Deco and Petra. I should punish both of you.
Father, please forgive them.
If you want me to forgive them, I will listen. You must learn from your mistakes. You will all take care of the magical bird together.
But what if it flies away again?
We can let it go.
As they watch magical bird fly away, it's heading from them.
No, the bird is escaping.
I will leave the kingdom so that Father won't punish you. And so Prince One shall get love and forgiveness. He left the kingdom, leaving the battle with the lesson learned. The story of the magical bird shows the power of loyalty, forgiveness, and triumph of good over evil.
Dapat ganun pala. Iba-iba na lang narrator sa akin. Iba ang scene 1 narrator. Iba ang scene 2.
Thank you for all watching us today. I would like to introduce the characters today you can see on stage. The dancers!
Tapusan ka na.
Then,
The animals!
Ano kami?
okay na nga. Ang ganda ng layo. Ang ganda ng Ang daming cast. Kagaya sa amin. Kagaya sa amin last year.
The soldiers!
Iba pag si Ma'am Gina yung producer. Iba pag si Ma'am Gina ang producer.
Ganda nga, damit mo.
The healers!
DM pa sila. May mga captain pa sila.
The old man!
Ito yata live yung ano nila. Live na siya ng side nila.
The narrators!
Yung character si Old Man.
Tapos na sila sa gilid, wala sa gitna.
The three princes!
Lalaki ba yung narrator?
Babae. Perfect.
The king and the queen!
Guwapa ang queen.
Pag-princess ang costume.
And the magical bird!
Kala na yung person. Kaya ito diyan po na.
Congratulations. ช่วงนี้เด็กๆเข้าไปในเวทีไปก่อนนะคะเดี๋ยวช่วงสุดท้ายเขาจะมาพร้อมกันบนเวทีแห่งนี้อีกครั้งหนึ่ง